Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like Geek Fruit with fellow and television geeks Tejas, Jishnu and Dinkar as they discuss the world of science fiction and nerd culture.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil and I have Vivek Krishnan with me in the studio. बहुत हंस रहे हो? That's because Mumbai Indians lost the match.
Of course, Mumbai Indians lost the match. उस पे एक हंसी, दूसरी हंसी रोहित शर्मा ने नहीं जिताया, तीसरी हंसी जयदेव उनतकट की बॉलिंग, पर सबसे मेजर हंसी मेरे ओपोनेंट के ऊपर. एक पॉइंट से जीत गया मैं. 1 point.
I know. टीम अपना अच्छा था, okay, but लास्ट में हमारी टीम में डेफिनेटली रोहित शर्मा नहीं था.
But we didn't pick रोहित शर्मा for a reason. We explained क्यों. मैंने बताया आपको 7 मैच में एक भी अर्धशतक नहीं मारा था. कल तो जबरदस्त मारा, but like I said, it has never happened in the IPL before. He wasn't looking in great touch, and Mumbai's top order was batting very nicely. Butler, Parthiv, Rana, all these guys. Unfortunately, they all failed yesterday. Rohit had to come into the scene, and he delivered. Unfortunately, couldn't get Mumbai across the line. But now we know that he can really bat. He's in form. But the question remains, where is he going to bat? If he keeps batting number 4, number 5, there will be very little incentive in picking him. I hope people understand the logic. I'm not saying Parthiv or Rana is a better batsman than Rohit Sharma. It is all about the position. It is all about a match situation. And this is T20 cricket, not test match cricket.
Okay.
Yes.
So मेरे हिसाब से काफी फॉलोअर्स जिन्होंने हमारा टीम फॉलो किया होगा.
मैंने कहा था ना रहाने. मैंने कहा था ना, लोगों ने रहाने छोड़ा, 40 मार दिया, फट.
मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि लास्ट में बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रोहित इनिंग्स इट कुड हैव बीन नेक एंड नेक, ऐसे हुआ रहेगा.
बिल्कुल. Like me, many would have taken the early lead before Rohit Sharma came into to the crease, and तब तक everybody must have felt safe. Safe क्या है यार, एकदम आर पार लीड हो गया था मेरा भी. तो like you rightly pointed out, could have been a close one, but I think people would have won more than the loss ratio. So
Okay. Let's move on to today's match. RCB takes on SRH. यार, whenever Bangalore अभी जैसे ही खेलने आता है ना, एक टेंशन आ जाती है because all the players.
All out 49 rupees का हो चुका है. गौतम गंभीर is the ambassador. उसका फोटो छपेगा उधर.
But I'll tell you what. All the players, RCB के बैटिंग लाइनअप में जो है, they are all highly priced, and you take them, and then to see such a dismal performance,
yes,
it hits you because तुम सोचते हो यार विराट तो मारेगा ही, एबी तो मारेगा ही, गेल तो मारेगा ही, ले लिया, फिर उसके बाद तुम्हारे बॉलिंग एकदम वीक हो जाती है और पता चला ओपोनेंट्स ने
फिर हमारे ओपोनेंट्स हमारी लेते हैं. तो क्या होता है, सो यही दिक्कत है, इस बार भी होगी जरूर. इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टीम टू क्रिएट. इट्स अ टाइट बजट राउंड. Having said that, यहाँ पे I think you have to go with form, and when I say form, I want to talk about Chris Gayle, who has been, I would say, he's not lived up to his reputation. He's blown hot and cold. कभी बैटिंग करता है, कभी नहीं करता है, कभी बेंच में रहता है, तो कभी कहीं घूमने चला जाता है, पता नहीं लगता कि कब खेलेगा. I still feel he's going to play today because without Chris Gayle, I don't see the kind of वो टेम्पो नहीं रहता गेम में. That's where Bangalore should play him. Talk 4 overseas, AB de Villiers, Chris Gayle, Samuel Badri has to play, boss. I cannot understand if he's fully fit, he has to play. And the other thing, the last foreigner will be a toss-up between Tymal Mills and Travis Head. No Shane Watson, because yes, he lends that balance, but somebody who has been in poor form with both bat and ball, you cannot be playing him. Travis Head, because...
But the whole team is in bad form. You can't blame on Shane Watson.
Well, Shane Watson has played so many matches. He hasn't scored. AB de Villiers got a 90. Gayle got a 70. Virat got a 60. Everybody has chipped in. Shane Watson has not delivered. Even Travis Head, Tymal Mills, Stan Lake, all these overseas players have performed. So the point is, if you want to play a frontline pacer, because somebody like an Arvind, Aniket Chowdhury, Harshal Patel, these guys are not good enough. So you might be tempted to play Mills. Mills को ही खिलाना है, you could also play Adam Milne. But after what he did at the Eden में था ना match? Yeah, after what he did at the Eden, I don't think they'll be keen on dropping him. Okay. But if I was Virat, I was Daniel Vettori, I would play Travis Head ahead because he gives me that spin bowling option. Pawan Negi has been bowling very well. He's been frugal also. So obviously, the choice will be, again, this is my view. I could. The Bangalore team might think otherwise. I would play Head, but that doesn't mean you can pick him in your fantasy team. मटका खेलना है तो कैप्टन बना के खेलो. एकदम तमाशा हो जाएगा फिर.
Okay. Now the article is up on our website, thefangarage.com. And जब मैं अपनी टीम को देखता हूँ, 3 names जो हमारी टीम में मिसिंग है. सैमुअल बद्री, भुवनेश्वर कुमार, एंड क्रिस गेल. चलो क्रिस गेल का तो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, ही इज वेरी अनसर्टन.
युवराज सिंह भी लगा लो वहां पे, केन विलियमसन भी लगा लो. हाँ, ये बात मुझे समझ नहीं आती यार. कोटा है 1 लीटर का, 2 लीटर कैसे भरोगे?
तो फिर कैसे, मतलब
वन ऑफ द रीजंस इंडिया में लोग सुखी नहीं रहते. आप मेरे को बताओ. सो सी द प्रॉब्लम अगेन हियर इज द बजट. सो यू हैव टू कम आउट विद सम एनालिसिस, कन्विंस योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट that somewhere somebody is not fitting in properly. Okay, and Chris Gayle tops the list.
Yeah,
I pay about 10 credits, and I pick him only to realize yaar bench kar diya, or at 15, 20. That doesn't help Nikhil, because what it does is it disturbs the team fully. Then Yuvraj Singh, many people even today I think they haven't realized why he was dropped. So he was sick. And I also read an article somewhere. So this is very bizarre. And because he was playing Pune, and somebody felt Dhoni might have asked David Warner to rest Yuvraj Singh. How silly. How silly. Somebody even wrote कि अभी Yuvraj's father is going to get angry. So all these silly theories, ये सब आप ना पढ़ो, इन चक्करों में मत फंसो. हम हैं, आपको बचा लेंगे. So he is going to play today. Okay. And this is what we've heard from the camp. Again, reports, कोई direct link नहीं है बाबा. So he's feeling better, so he will play. Kane Williamson has to play. David Warner तो कप्तान है.
Yeah.
And Moses Henriques. Now Moses Henriques was dropped इसके पहले. And they played Nabi, if you remember, Nikhil.
Yeah.
Henriques came back, got a 60 odd. They can't drop him. Kane Williamson has got a 89. 2 match पहले. You can't drop him either. So the sacrifice has to be made in the bowling department. When I say sacrifice, तुम्हारे पास सिद्धार्थ कौल, who's a question mark, Mohammad Siraj a question mark, is Barinder Saran fully fit, is Ashish Nehra fully fit, Rashid is there, Bhuvaneshwar is there. So this is the makeup of the Sunrisers. Yeah. Middle order, Deepak Hooda got promoted because Yuvraj didn't play the last match, and he scored a quick fire 20. अगर कोई 8 पॉइंट का बंदा आपको 20 रन देता है, I would take it very happily. What do you expect? He bowls from time to time. He's a part-timer. If luck is on your side, you might also get a wicket. एक कैच भी मिल जाएगा. So this is why. So people must have got a shock. Deepak Hooda, Pawan Negi में लास्ट 2 मैच से ले रहा हूँ. लास्ट 2 मैच से परफॉर्म कर रहा है.
He has been performing.
And इसमें मेरा कोई एनालिसिस नहीं है. मजबूरी में मैं ले रहा हूँ उसको. And if it works, it's great for us. And that's why you see these 2 characters in our team.
So you're banking that it will be a high-scoring game because your batting lineup is full throttle.
You have to pack when RCB plays SRH, that too at home. Given the conditions, given the history, you have to pick the top order batsmen from both teams. If you don't, chances are you will be on the back foot. One of these 5 will go on to get a good score. Imagine Warner छोड़ो, Warner खेलता है. कोहली छोड़ो, कोहली खेलता है. एबी डिविलियर्स, आपको एबी डिविलियर्स पे कुछ शंका थी, वो मैं दूर कर देता हूँ. सो एबी डिविलियर्स is a player you can't drop him. It's very difficult unless the budget is so bad and there are better players available. Maybe you can, like we did with Steven Smith or we did with Rohit Sharma. But here, who is RCB's best batsman? It is AB de Villiers. And then you have Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli तो certain है, खेलने वाला है, सबको पता है. AB de Villiers also cannot be dropped unless he comes out with a tweet 2 hours before and he declares, I'm not playing. Now that is not going to happen. Okay?
Yeah.
So the foreigner spot कहने के लिए, so you have to go with ABD and say, man, you bat 3 or 4. I don't care. I'm going to pick you regardless of the budget. And if you don't pick him, and if he scores, भूल जाओ.
Okay. Does Moses Henriquez bowl?
Oh, he hasn't bowled much. It's a very good question. Valid question है. He doesn't bowl much. Maximum 2 overs. 2 overs में you might get a wicket or 2. Very rare ऐसा होता है 2 wicket मिलते हैं. But I picked him for his batting, not for his bowling. He's been performing consistently. If I remember correctly, in the first 3 matches that SRH played this year, 2 अर्धशतक लगा दिया उसने. And 1 more 50 in the last match.
Yeah.
So based on form, he understands the conditions and he's going to bat number 3 or 4. मैंने उसको लिया है. So that's the logic behind this. Now, the truth is, I'm not entirely convinced with this team. मैं आपको सच बात बता दूं, because यहाँ पे जैसे तुमने बताया, भुवनेश्वर को जगह नहीं मिल रही, सैमुअल बद्री को जगह नहीं मिल रही, क्रिस गेल को नहीं है, युवराज सिंह को नहीं है, तो आप आज 4 टीम बनाओ. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ 2 टीम बनाओ, मैं आज कहूँगा 4 टीम बनाओ, सबको मौका मिलेगा बरोबर का. But on a serious note, Nikhil, I still have to read a few articles. I'm not entirely convinced.
Okay. Until
the time I do that, I wouldn't say, okay, go ahead with this team. For the time being, people, whoever, जो भी
because of the budget.
है, because of the budget, it's a very, very difficult round, boss. And the scary part is, you pick someone in a tight budget round and he doesn't play. What happens? You will always be behind. So this is something, it's it's your personal choice, but I would say play very safe. That's all. Play very safe this round.
Okay. So let me just recite the team that we have made, which could be changed. Asterisk sign.
90% change होगा, वो भी बता रहा हूँ.
Okay. So the team right now is Kedar Jadhav, AB de Villiers, Shikhar Dhawan, David Warner, Virat Kohli, Deepak Hooda, Moses Henriquez, Pawan Negi, Rashid Khan, S. Arvind,
श्रीनाथ अरविंद. जबरदस्ती के इसमें 3 लोग घूम रहे हैं. पवन नेगी, श्रीनाथ अरविंद
and Deepak Hooda.
But
Pawan Negi has been really
he's
good.
going to give you points for
Anuzvendra Chahal, the last.
वो तो जबरदस्त ही तो चहल का चाल जो है ना जबरदस्त चल रहा है आजकल, मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay, the captain is Virat Kohli, the vice captain is David Warner. Okay, so now you are saying like there could be a possibility that we might change our team.
Yes. Okay. Now this will be based on
change would be what?
Oh, very good question. So that at least people should be on their toes, na? The change could be a swap between Williams and Henriquez, Samuel Badri, श्रीनाथ अरविंद.
बजट बैठता है
यहाँ वहाँ कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा ना. तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, तो इसको उधर बदलूंगा तो इट्स लाइक चेस ना. इसको ओपन करूंगा तो वो वहाँ खुल जाएगा. सो सिमिलरली आई हैव टू सी, बट इफ चेंज हैपेंस 2 लोग बाहर जाएंगे.
Okay.
1-on-1 चेंज नहीं हो सकता अनलेस आई पिक अ पैथेटिक 8-pointer फॉर श्रीनाथ अरविंद. वो तो मेरे को नहीं लगता मैं करने वाला हूँ. दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. भुवनेश्वर कुमार फॉर राशिद खान. अगेन आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दीज आर द पॉसिबल चेंजेस वी आर कंटेम्पलेटिंग.
Guys,
हो सकता है. But if we do whatever, the match starts at 8 o'clock, Nikhil.
Yeah.
The deadline is at 7 o'clock. We'll do it much before 4.
Okay. So you know where to keep your eye on. It is on our Twitter handle, TFG Fantasy 11. Even though हमारा article आ जाएगा, but it is Twitter where we put our tweets and वो notification वगैरह सब on कर दो आप, so that you get all the notifications.
Yes. Watch out for our tweets. Also updates on Facebook.
Facebook is Fantasy Pandit. Twitter is TFG Fantasy 11, and our website is thefangarage.com. You can be logged on to it.
Now 2 things. If we edit the team, we might come out with a separate article which will have a different headline and which will have the edited team. If we don't do that, please make sure आप पुराने आर्टिकल पढ़ो और नीचे edited team पाओ. I understand people get confused. They see 2 teams, they see 2 different write-ups, 2 different logics, and they are like, what to pick, whom to leave and all that. So likely hai, chances are that we might come up with a new article explaining why we made the change.
Okay.
ऐसा नहीं होता है, तो be cautious.
Okay, guys. You can listen to this podcast on major podcasting platforms like IndusVox Media, Audio Boom, SoundCloud, iTunes, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till then, take care and keep hunting. Bye-bye.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.